Okay, chapter 1.1 homework. Okay, for this homework, we will do the exercise numbers starting from 1 to all the way up to 105. But we're going to do every other odd number, every other odd numbers, right? Odd numbers. So that means since we're starting from number 1, we will do number 1 and skip next odd and do the next odd number. And then skip the next one and do the next one and so on. So that means starting from 1 we will add 4 to the previous number, so it will be 5, and then add 4, then that will be number 9, and then add 4, so that will be what? 13, right? And then the next one will be what? Add 4, so it will be 17, add 4, so that will be 21, 25, 29, 33, 37, and so on. All the way up to when we reach the number 105. Okay, so let's try all these numbers. Okay, number 1. How do you read this inequality? 7 and the inequality symbol 4. Okay, this is how we read. 7 is greater than 4, right? 7 is greater than 4. So you can read it as 7 is greater than 4. Because 7 is larger than 4. 7 is greater than 4. Okay, number 5. The number 921 rounded to the nearest 10. Okay, nearest 10 means this is 10th digit. So when you round this to the nearest 10, it will become 920. Why is it 20? Why is it 920? Because the ones digit, the next digit of this place value 10 is 1. So 1 is actually this ones digit, which is 1, right? 1 is what? Less than 5 or greater than 5? Less than, right? Less than 5. Since the next digit, the value of the next digit is less than 5, we just leave this number 2. So the answer will be 920. Okay, number 9. Let's graph number 10 on the number line. So 10 is on here. So just put the dark circle on the number line at 10. Okay, number 13. 4 units to the left of 9. So starting from this number 9, so put the 9 here. So from this number 9, we will move 4 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. Then the number is 5. So the answer will be what? 5. Okay, number 17. 7 units to the left of 7. So here's the number 7. So let's move 7 units to the left of this number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then this is the number that we reached. So the answer will be 0, right? So 0. Okay, how about number 21? Okay, number 21. Okay, put the right inequality symbol. So always, the inequality symbol is either this one or this one. So always the larger number. So open towards the larger number. So 0 and 52. 52 is larger than 0 because always on the number line, the number on the right is always greater than the numbers on the left. So 52 is larger, so put your mouth towards 52. Okay, next one. 2,761 and 3,857. Which one is larger? Now they have all 4 digits, and then the thousands value. The thousands digit is 2 and 3. So 3 is greater than 2. So 3,857 is greater. So we put the mouth So open the mouse towards the larger number. Okay, two numbers, number 29, 8005 and 8050. Okay, so the largest place value is 8, and 8 are same, and hundreds is 0 same, and the tenth digit is, this is 0, and this is 5. So 5 is greater than 0, so put this greater than symbol to the right. Okay, and number 33. Okay, let's rearrange the numbers from the smallest to the largest. Okay, smallest is, as you see this, there are two decimal places, two digits. So the smallest number should be, the 10th digit is 2, 1, 3, and 1. So these two are the smaller than the others, these three. So from this one, compare the ones digit. So ones digit is 1. So 11 is the smallest, right? So 11 is the smallest. And the next larger one is 14, then 16, and 21 and 32. So these numbers are in order from the smallest to the largest. Okay, number 37, the smallest. Okay, there are 3-digit number, 106, so this should be the largest number, and the others are 2-digit numbers. From these 2-digit numbers, the smallest one digit is 2. So 26 is smallest one, and then 49 is the next one, and then 77 is the third, and then the last one, 90. Then 9 is greater than 77, and finally 106 is greater than others. Okay, for this, number 41. Okay, there are 3-digit numbers and 4-digit numbers. Always 4-digit numbers are larger and 3-digit numbers are smaller. And these 3-digit numbers have, the hundredths value is 3, so they are same. How about the 10th digit? 770. So 307. 307 is the smallest. And the next one is 300. This is 377, 370, so this is the next one, 370, and the third one is 377. And we have 4-digit numbers, so from this one, the 1000 value is 33, and 100 is 7 and 0, so this is smaller, 3077, 3700. Okay, number 45, write the number in words. So this one is 635. So we can write it as 635. And for the 35, you can put a hyphen like this. Okay, how about this number 49? This is, okay, 53,000. We have thousands value, so 53,614. Okay, so 53, you can put a hyphen here, so 53,614. How about number 53? So there are, this is thousands, this is millions, right? Millions. So 3,842,905. Okay, so let's write the words here. Alright, so this place value is million, and this place value is 1,000. So 3,842,905. Okay, so let's try next one. Number 57. Write this number in standard form. Okay, 53,000. So we have 1,000. So this can be written as 53, right? 53. So 1,000 will be replaced by a comma. And 340. So this is 340. Okay, next, number 61. 9,000, so 1,000 is a place value, so write down 9, and 1,000 is replaced by comma. The 706, so this is 706, 6. So 6 is 700, right? 706. Okay, next one, number 65. 8 million, we have a million, 5,010. So write down 8, and for the million, replace the million with a comma, and then 5,000. So 5,000 is what? 005, right? 5,000, comma. So write down 5 and comma. So for the 5, we have to put 3 digits, and then 10. So for this 10, we need 3 digits, so this is 10, right? 10. Okay, don't make it 10. This is incorrect. Okay, number 69. Write the number in expanded form. So when we write an expanded form, okay, let's start from number 5, the digit 5. So 5 is, this is 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. So when you write this in expanded form, write down 5 and put all the digits, fill the digits, other digits with zeros. Okay, plus, and 3 is 10,000 digits, so 3, and then put all the digits to the right with zeros. Plus 9, and then put other 3 digits with zeros, and then 700, so 700 plus 90 plus 1. Okay, number 73, 20,000, so write down 20,000 plus, okay, for this 0 you don't have to write it anything, and then 397, so 300, so write down 300 plus 97, so write down 90 plus 7. Okay, for 77, 8 million, so write down 8 million, 8 million plus, for this 3 you don't have to put anything, and then 316, so write down 300 plus 16, so 16 is starting with 10th digit 1 and then plus 6. Okay. Okay, number 81, round the number to the given place value. Okay, the given place value is tens, so 10th digit is this one. So we will decide, so this is the place value, right? Place value. And then we will check whether this is greater than 5. Is 9 greater than 5? Yes. So we will add 4 by 1. So add 4 by 1. So it will be 3,050. Okay, number 85. Round this number to the nearest hundreds. So this is the hundreds. Okay, this number is 28,551, and the next digit is 5, and the 5 is greater than or equal to 5, right? So always check whether this number is greater than or equal to 5. Since this one satisfies, we will add this place value by 1. So this will be 28,600. Number 89, 93,825. The place value is 1,000. So we will decide whether we're going to increase this number by 1 or just leave it by comparing the next digit. So 8 is greater than or equal to 5. So you just add this number by 1. Then this will be 94,000 Okay, 94,000. 000. Okay, for number 93. Okay, around 352,876 to the nearest 10,000. So 10,000 is this one. Okay, so we will compare this number, this digit. So 2 is greater than 5. No, right? No. So just leave it. Leave it. So this will be 35. Leave it and then put others with zeros. Okay, if the ones digit of a number is greater than 5. So let's say we have a number, something like this. 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, whatever the number is. So one's digit is greater than 5. So let's make it 7. So the one's digit is greater than 5, then the number rounded to the nearest 10 is less than the original number. Well, since this is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 5 or equal to 5, we need to increase this one by 1. Right? So the number will be 3,000, same number with 1, 0, right? So this 0 become 1. So actually this is greater. So actually this number is greater than the original number. So it's not less than. Less than is not possible. So this will not happen. Right? So if the ones digit is greater than 5, then the tens digit is increased by 1. So this rounded number should be greater than the original number, not less than. Okay, number 101. The play Hello Dolly was performed 2,844 times. And the play Fiddler on the Roof was performed 3,242 times. Then which play had the greater number of performance? So let's compare these two numbers, 2,844 and 3,242. So which one is greater? 3,242 is greater, so the Fiddler on the Roof has been performed more than the the play Hello Dolly, right? So the answer will be Fiddler on the Roof. Okay, number 105. Okay, this graph shows the enrollment in elementary and secondary school. Okay, in 1970, the enrollment was about a little more than 50 million people, students. So number 8, during which year was enrollment the lowest? So in order to find the lowest, we will select the point where it has the least number. So as you see this looks like the smallest number. This point contains the smallest enrollment. So the answer will be, okay, this one is in, this is in 2019. So 1,980. So the year 1980 has the lowest enrollment. Okay, did the enrollment increase or decrease between 1990 and 2000? Okay, 1990 and 2000 is this one. So starting from this point, okay, so starting from this point to this point, this one is increased, right? Increased. So from 1990 to 2000 is increased, so we'll say the enrollment is increased. Okay, so we are done for this homework.